another exquisite planning video here on my channel, Exquisite Glow. Today I am going to be opening up this Happy Planner Companion Accessories Kit. This one has 30 pieces. This is the Budget Planning Companion Kit. They came out with a budget planner. I didn't pick up the planner. I decided to just pick up the companion kit because I'll incorporate some of these items into my regular planner. So that's why I just picked this up. I don't need a completely different, entire planner to do budgeting. But yeah, I picked this one up. And I'm going to open it up here so you guys can see, detail up close of what's in the packet. I like these videos because when you go online to check things out, even though you zoom in, sometimes the images are blurry and you want to get a better look as to what it says. And also these videos allow you guys see exactly what's in it, clear, up close, before you make your decision on if you want to buy it or not. So that's why I'm doing these videos. Also, I picked up this washi tape, and this is from the budget line. And it has a bill due, a stripes, a polka dots, smaller polka dots. The piggy banks is what sold me. And then we have I have a hair on there. And this other one that looks like, I don't know. It's not, well, yeah, it does have some stars, but this one has more of a cotton candy ombre thing going on. Oh God, hold on. I have my baby here on the floor with me. So if you guys hear any noises, it's her, but let me take away the crinkling toy. Yeah, so she's awake right now. No nap time right now, but I decided to go ahead and film the video. So again, if you hear noises in the background, that's her. Let's get started with this. So again, this is 30 pieces. On the back, it'll show you an overview of what's inside of it. So let's get in there. So the first thing that was here is the bracelet. And they're including these cute bracelets in all of these planner companion kits. And what these bracelets are supposed to do when you wear them is kind of give you a little reminder as to, your fitness, your budget planning, like don't spend on that, or like save some money today, This one says, wear this bracelet as a reminder to be intentional with your spending and conscious of where your money goes. So that's cute. I really like that. If you want to see the other planner companion kits that I did videos on, I'll link them down below. So you're welcome to check those out and see if it's something that you wanted to pick up for yourself. So this is what it looks like up close. See, this is why I like these videos. So you can see it up close. It has a cute little ring disc as a charm. And it's the kind of bracelet, yes baby, and it's the kind of bracelet that if you pull on it, it opens up wide so you can put it on. And then you just pull on the two little knots to tighten it up. It does have a little bit of a waxy coating. It doesn't feel waxy on your finger just when you touch it. And it is a little sturdy, but with wear it should soften up itself, but this should hold up for a while. On the back, it says, spend well. 1 second, baby, I'm coming. Spend well. There you go. There it is, spend well. So that is the bracelet that comes in there. Let me see. All right, so let me get this done quickly. I might have to pause the video, but hopefully not. I'm going to keep this on the side as reference so I can reference it as to what's in the folder. Now, it does come in a really cute folder. Oh, I just dropped everything out. All right, so it does come in a really cute folder. It's really sturdy. I accidentally just tossed out everything from it when I tilted it. But all this was in the horizontal pocket, and then there's a vertical pocket. All right, let me pause real quick and see what she needs. Sorry, guys. But mom life. All right, I gave her a book, so hopefully that keeps her entertained. I am filming on the floor as well. I don't know, you guys didn't need to know that, but I just decided to throw that out there. All right, so let's just start off with these cute plastic envelopes. Look at how pretty they are. Okay, so this is an envelope. It has the, you can click them into your Happy Planner. And let's do a little bit of a close-up. It says small progress is still progress. And then on the back, it does have this little slit to insert your folder flap. And you can put money in there, or receipts, or coupons. Interesting. I like that. So these are the plastic envelopes. There is 4 of them. So here's the next one. If not now, then when? And this is what the back looks like. Has a nice pink flap with polka dots. Or not polka dots, there's triangles and stars. Then the next one is this one that has the vertical rainbow. It says, mindset, I can and I will. And it's just really pretty like that. And then the back has a black flap. The next one says, know your worth. And this is just stripes, rainbow stripes, and white. And the back is a black flap. So those are the 4 plastic envelopes. Super pretty. I'm excited to use these.
Where's your book? Oh, there's your book. There you go. You threw it away, baby.
All right. Put this on this side, actually. All right, and then the next item in here is some financial goals. Let's see. So these are the budget planning paper. There is 10 of them. Right? Is that correct? 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see. Okay, so there is 10 of them. So the first one says, here is a close-up of it. Hashtag get it girl for the year of. Financial goals there vertically on the side. And it says next month, next quarter, next 6 months, next year. So you can write down what your plans are. And then on the back, it has 4 sections. It says in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. I already know a goal of mine in 5 years. I know, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited, oh my God. Okay, I need to stop. I know, I'm getting all excited on camera, but it's a secret, but I'm excited. All right, anyways, let's continue. Just making me smile big right now. The next page is a bill schedule, and it's just 2-month out of view planner, and you can just write in when your bills are due. So for the month of, and then it's Sunday through Saturday, you write in your dates on it, so it's undated. Perfect. And then you have the back, yellow and green. Then you have the next page, which you have a lime green and a darker green. The back has a shade of blue and a purple or periwinkle. I like periwinkle better. And then the next one, same thing. You have a pink and a peach. And on back you have another peach and a yellow, or a cantaloupe and a yellow. The next page says is a debt repayment sheet. So on here you can write out the account, credit card, I don't know, car payment. If you bought some furniture, you put down some new wood floors. We just finished paying those. These wood floors you're seeing here, we just finished paying for them. So that's awesome. But anyway, yeah, you can put in your different accounts for debt repayment. And they're color-coded in different colors. Sorry, you guys, for the baby in the back, but I will get to her in just a moment. She's just backing up. She doesn't know how to crawl forward yet. So she pushes herself back. Like she'll put in her little knees under her, but she pushes back instead of forward. It's so weird. But we're getting there. It's exciting. So here's the back of it. So you have some more debt repayment. Another thing is you can make copies of all of this before actually using them. That way you can file them away for next year. Unless Happy Planner comes out with something better. No, you can make copies of it, because if you really, really like it, you can make copies of it just in case the Happy Planner next year comes out with something completely different that you don't really like. You still have these if they don't sell them anymore. So that's something I was actually planning on doing, making copies of things that I know that I would want to keep using. And then if Happy Planner comes out with more things later on, I can always purchase the new stuff. Okay, so the next page here is a savings tracker. So you can write here what you're saving for. Like we have a vacation account / household emergency account, as in like the air conditioner broke, or the, you know, we need some work done with the plumbing. That's kind of emergency. And then we also use that for vacation. So we have money for vacation, and if our whole AC unit breaks, sorry, we don't go on vacation, we got to fix the AC unit, you know? That's how that works for us. And then on the back, it's another savings tracker. You can just write down what you're saving for. Oh, she got a hold of the phone. She doesn't want the book. Baby, we're going old school. We're pretending iPhones don't exist, and we're pretending that there's only books for entertainment. Okay? We're gonna go 1984 style. Aight? Let's do it. No. You have to play with books, not phones. Here you go, baby. You play with that, okay? Thank you. All right. So the next page we have, it says it's a no spend tracker. So you can note on here that you're not spending, I guess. You can check it off. So it's kind of like a habit tracker in a way. And there's 2 of those. And on here it says, how did it go this month? How did it go this month? Okay, that's weird. Makes it look different, but it's different because it has this here. And then on the back, same thing. And then we have another sheet that's also a no spend tracker. So I believe, yeah, so there's 3 of those sheets. So this gives you enough for the whole year. That's what that looks like. All right, this next page is a budget review page. So that's what this looks like. On the top, you can note the year, and then it has the income, expenses, and savings, and it has the months. So you can write how much you spent each month, how much you made, and how much you actually saved. And then the back is just a section for notes in a rainbow ombre style. Really pretty. And then the next page that we have here is notes and things. And you can, I don't know, mark different things in each color block, and then you have some lined notes. On the back, it is solid graph paper. All right, so it looks like the next pages are exactly the same, and I'm just gonna flip through them quickly just to make sure. And yes, these are the note paper. You get 10 of the note paper pages. And of the budget planning, there's 10 pages in total. All right, so that's really cool. I'm gonna slip this back in here. All right, and then on the vertical pocket, the first thing we have here are vision boards. So we have 2 sheets of vision board, which makes it really apparently 4, because you flip it over and you have more on the back. So let's start off with this one. This one here has some foiling going on. Some foil stars here on the binding and there, and it says motivation, and on the graph section you can write your motivation. On the back there is that savings jar, which I know they've had in previous budget planning kits. I'm just happy that they also added it in this. Really pretty. And let me just give you like a little close up. So it has the months, the amount saved, and total. And then the next vision board says goals. Hey there, what is your short-term goal? You can write it out. What is your long-term goal? And you can write out. It says I can and I will at the bottom. And then on the back, you have that you are saving for, and it's also foiled in silver. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, what you're saving for, and your inspiration. So those are the vision boards. And then we have the folder, which you can just click in. So you have a little folder here like that. Really pretty. And then the last thing we have here is the wet erase board. So expenses, weekly, it has a tab here. So weekly expenses, your totals, week of your bills to pay for the month maybe, and needs and wants. And then on the back, it's all grid paper, dot grid paper. And then on the bottom is solid grid graph paper. It says don't forget, and it says plan a happy life with a money sign. And then on the tab up here just says jot it down. So that is everything that comes in the Budget Planner Companion Kit. I'm really excited to use this and set up my planner for 2020. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos by me on my channel. And hit the notifications link so that you are notified every time that I do upload to the channel. With the new baby, I don't have a specific schedule. I've never really had one, although I did try to, like, you know, follow one, but sometimes things got in the way. But yeah, so just hit that notifications bell so you get notified whenever I do upload, because I don't have a set schedule. And yeah, if you would like to find me on social media, the links will be listed down in the description and then also here on the screen. I'm a little bit out of practice, so I'm kind of like all over the place. Sorry about that, but we're getting back into the groove of things. And I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.